Hello, Theresa the AI Quilter here. I've had a couple people reach out about the news lately and something called Deep Seek. It's all one word, DeepSeek. It's a new AI platform that's out there. It's a model that was created by some Chinese developers. And it's in the news for several reasons. First off, it was released on Christmas, but we're only starting to hear about it now because that's sort of how long it takes for AI wonks to dig into something and really start to understand the implications of it, and also journalists to figure out some of the details under the hood. And some of what we know is that because of that news, some of the stock market tumbled yesterday. And it's primarily because it was uncovered that some of the technology, the hardware that is in the supercomputers that are at the heart of the AI, were American-based silicon or American-based computer chips, for a basic term. And there are certain limitations that American companies have on what technology that they can sell to certain countries. So that is the first thing that is making news. The second thing that's making news is it's quite a bit faster, and it is as good, if not better, than some of the platforms that you hear about every day, the biggest one being, of course, ChatGPT. And the third reason why it's in the news is because they're claiming it only took about $6 million and a lot less time to build the models that serve up the responses. So I'll explain some time about the difference between models and platforms and then applications, but just understand there's sort of three layers. And down here, the models took a lot less time to create. Why does the cost and the time matter? Well, first off, in the US, to build the types of AI that we currently are having fun with, it's in the billions of dollars, and many of the companies ask for funding from the federal government. But the other reason why this is all in the news and there's a lot of drama happening is because some people are suspecting that this company actually leveraged technology sort of in those layers when they built theirs. And so people are claiming that maybe it was actually a lot more work and effort. It just so happened that it wasn't the Chinese developers' work, effort, and cost. And so therefore it's unfair. And so that news is still developing, and I'll keep on top of it and let you know what I find out. The last thing that I would say, and this is what I say in all of my classes, AI is a tool. It is neither good nor bad. However, just like a seam ripper is just a tool and it's incredibly helpful in the ways that we use it, if I were to poke you in the eye with a seam ripper, you would call it a weapon. Similarly, until we understand who is wielding the technology under the hood, it's important to maybe dip our toe in, but don't just rush full force until we understand how the data that we share with the platform is going to be used and how or what is actually coming back to us. My advice is to proceed with caution and curiosity, but let's see what happens over the next several weeks. And it could be just a tremendous game changer and advancement in AI and allow really amazing and beautiful things to happen. But again, it's all in how the tool is wielded and who has control of it that we all need to watch out for. So there you go. That's a little bit about Deep Seek. See you soon.